Hello everyone, and welcome to this very short clip to describe how to actually install the system so that we can use the online system during tutorials. So the system is a little program that runs in the background on the machines during the tutorials, and it allows us to share screens. So I can display my screen to you so you can see what I'm doing. And similarly, while you're performing exercises, I can view your screen and give you advice while you're doing the exercises. It's a useful little thing. It's very unobtrusive and very simple to install. So basically what you do is log into your learning management system and then pop down to the setting up your system area. And then down there you will see a file to download. Come down here, there's the file. Click on that and that will automatically download it to your machine. I'd set download it to downloads, possibly, is the usual place. So this PC it downloads. And then just save it. You'll see down here that when it's been saved, it will appear down here. Click the little up arrow button here and select Show in Folder. And there's the file there highlighted on your Internet Explorer. So just double click that and follow the instructions, and that will install it on your machine for you. And that's all there is to it. So best of luck with that, and all the best, and bye for now.